Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Amazon Basics Oval Hanging Planter. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is an Amazon Basics Oval Hanging Planter. This one is in the white brass colorway or design. Now let's go ahead and open it up by of course cutting apart the clear packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And let's slide the contents out from the box packaging. And checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box. We can set the box to the side. So setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the contents which we've just removed from the box packaging. And let's continue by lifting the parts off the card insert and setting them on the tabletop. And of course there is some fixings here. Let's cut it off from that box insert or card insert and checking through to make sure nothing else is left behind. Okay, so we can set that to the side and giving you a look at the contents from this Amazon Basics Oval Hanging Planter in the white brass design. Okay, so let's start off by taking a look at this pack. And let's open it up so we can see that there appears to be a hook as well as the fixings for the hook. It's nice to see that the packet is recyclable, so ensure that we recycle that. And so are the two smaller packets inside, so giving you a look right here as best I can. Let's get the camcorder to focus on these items. And let's open up the two smaller packets. So I'm just going to set the hook down and open up these two packets so we can see clearly what's inside of them. So just tearing the sticky tape open, or maybe let's do so with the penknife so it doesn't burst open. And tipping the contents out so we can see that there are a pair of screws and a pair of wall plugs. So setting that packet down, we still have another packet here, and let's open up this packet as well. So we're doing so once again carefully by scoring or cutting through the sticky tape, and of course removing the contents from the packet. So far we have two of those packets opened, so we can see that there are 4 translucent wall plugs along with 4 screws as well. So the screws have a Phillips head and even a slotted flathead screwdriver top to them. So giving you a look right there, the fixings, and just setting that down. So 4 screws and 4 wall plugs. And now moving along to the hanger itself. So there's a frame right here. As we can see, it has the brass finish, but it's more of a gold tone, if you can see. A yellow gold tone. And giving you a look right there. So made out of metal, light and strong, and just giving you an overall look at the hanger or frame for the planter. So setting that down and moving on to the plant itself, we can see that it is packaged in a clear recyclable plastic bag as well. So right throughout, all the packaging is fully recyclable, and make sure we keep that plastic bag away from babies, children and animals. So giving you a look at this oval plant pot, but it's more of a elongated rounded rectangle, and it is made from ceramic. So just giving you a look all around. It does have a light sheen to it, as you can see the light reflecting on its surface. So giving you a look right there all around at this Amazon Basics oval hanging planter in the white brass design or colorway. And taking a look at the bottom. So giving you a close-up look. So we can see that the base or bottom of the planter is completely flat, so it can be left alone on a flat surface. And giving you a look inside of the planter or plant pot. So fully closed or sealed. And in terms of size, giving you some sense of the size of the planter resting in my palm. And let's try it this way. And of course right there, giving you some sense of the size once again of this Amazon Basics oval hanging planter in the white brass design. So let's set it together to give you some idea as to how it looks with the holder or frame and the hanger or hook holding the holder or frame, and of course the frame or holder holding the plant pot or planter. So right there you can see the overall design and aesthetic of this planter. So the hook and the frame both made out of metal or metal alloy, and with the brass or more of a yellow gold tone to it. And of course the plant itself in a flat white finish or color. It's right there giving you once again another perspective of this planter. And let's hold it in my left hand to give you another perspective or angle. Of course, let's try and get it facing the front as best I can. So that's the Amazon Basics oval hanging planter in white brass. Thanks for watching and happy planting!